Good afternoon, kids.
Good afternoon, ma'am. God bless you, ma'am.
Thank you. God bless you all. Let's begin our quiz on Shri Birsa Munda. First quiz. The question is, Birsa Munda was born in which Indian state? I want you people to raise your hands. Yes, Ayash. Birsa Munda was born in which Indian state?
Jharkhand.
Right. Next question. Yes. Next question. Birsa Munda belonged to which tribal community? Yes, Abhiru.
Munda. Munda.
Yes, Sahib.
Munda.
Yes, absolutely correct. Next question. Birsa Munda is also known as, yes, Naman,
Dharti Abba.
which is known as Dharti Abba also means, yes, Danish,
Father of Earth.
father of the earth. Very good. Right. Which colonial power did Birsa Munda rebel against? Which colonial power did Birsa Munda rebel against? So the options are French, British, Portuguese or Dutch. Yes, French.
British.
British, right. Next, Birsa Munda died in British custody in which year? 1895, 1899, 1900 or 1905? Hasrat. 1899. Yes, Hardit.
1900.
1900. Yes, Sukneet.
1900.
The right answer is 1900. Right? Next question. Birsa Munda's birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day, Munda Divas, Birsa Munda Jayanti or Tribal Parade Day, that is Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. Yes, Nirgun. Tribal Pride Day, that is Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. Next is, what was the main slogan of Birsa Munda's movement? Go back British, Abua Dishum Abua Raj means our land, our rule, Inqilab Zindabad or Jai Jharkhand? Yes, Jasnoor. Abua Dishum Abua Raj, that is our land, our rule. Right. Birsa Munda was influenced by Christian missionaries, Gandhian philosophy, Bhakti movement or both A and C? Yes.
Both hands.
That is Christian missionaries as well as Bhakti movement. Right. Where was Birsa Munda imprisoned before his death? In Ranchi jail, in Patna jail, in Kolkata jail or in Nagpur jail? Yes. In Ranchi jail. Yes. Ranchi jail. Very good question. Next question. Birsa Munda is an important figure in Indian history because he fought for women's rights. He led a tribal movement against British rule. He was India's first tribal president, or he was a famous scholar. Yes. Yes. Yes, Danish. What is the A part? What is the A part? Okay, I'll tell you the options again. Just wait. Just wait. So the options are, Birsa Munda is an important figure in Indian history because he fought for women's rights, he led a tribal movement against British rule, he was India's first tribal president, or he was a famous scholar.
He against the tribal British.
He led a tribal movement against British rule. Yes, Nirgun, what's your answer? Same. So he led a tribal movement against British rule. That's why he was an important figure in Indian history.